Breaking news. Trump's infamous big, beautiful tax bill is officially back reborn in a new, updated form. The legislation just passed and is already sending shockwaves through Washington and across the country. While some are celebrating a historic economic win, others are sounding the alarm over who really benefits and who could be left behind. So what does this mean for you? Whether you're a small business owner, a working parent, or a corporate executive, this bill might reshape how much you owe, or how much you save, starting next year. It all began with a campaign promise. Back in 2016, Donald Trump vowed to simplify the tax code, lower rates, and bring money back into the country. His original 2017 tax reform was the most sweeping in over 30 years. Now, Congress has passed an updated version, the Tax Relief and Growth Act, reviving much of the original law and adding bold new changes. At the center of it all, a permanent cut in corporate tax rates from 21% down to 18%. Supporters say this will supercharge business investment, job creation, and global competitiveness. Critics say it's a massive gift to corporations and the wealthy who are already posting record profits. For individuals, the bill increases standard deductions and reshapes income brackets. Middle-class families earning between $50,000 and $2,000 could see annual savings of $800 to $2,000. That's helpful, but is it enough to offset rising costs? Another spotlight feature, the return of Trump Zones, a revamped version of Opportunity Zones designed to attract investment in struggling areas. Investors get tax breaks to build in these communities, but some worry the benefits won't trickle down to residents. There's more. The child tax credit has been expanded, and new deductions are now available for childcare expenses, welcome news for many parents. However, critics argue the support still falls short for families at or below the poverty line. A key controversy? The changes to capital gains taxes. Long-term investors will now pay less in taxes on their profits. Some hail this as a boost for retirees and savers, while others warn it mainly favors the rich who dominate the stock market. Then there's the trillion-dollar question, the national deficit. The Congressional Budget Office estimates this new bill could add $1.50 trillion to the deficit over the next decade. Backers claim that economic growth will offset the cost, but many economists say don't bet on it. For Trump supporters, this is a clear win. In a Mar-a-Lago speech, Trump called the bill a monumental win for the American people and a revival of his economic legacy. "We promised a big, beautiful tax bill," he said, "and we delivered again." What about real-life impact? Small businesses in manufacturing and construction will benefit from new write-offs. Freelancers and gig workers see more deductions, but also tougher IRS reporting rules. Real estate investors get even more power, thanks to expanded 1031 exchange benefits. And companies helping employees repay student loans now get new incentives, a boost for younger workers. But some deductions are being capped again, especially in high-tax states like New York and California, where lawmakers say this is a political jab at blue states. The healthcare angle isn't ignored either. Tax penalties for not having insurance are gone, drawing praise from some and warnings from others. The IRS says implementation will roll out in phases, with full enforcement by next tax year. In the meantime, financial advisors are urging Americans to update their tax planning because the rules have changed. Wall Street reacted fast. Markets surged thanks to corporate tax cuts and investor perks. But some analysts are skeptical, warning the honeymoon may not last if inflation rises or growth stalls. Online, the nation is split. Hashtags like Tax Relief Now and TaxScam 2025 are trending, reflecting the bitter divide. Some see hope, others see danger. But one thing's for sure, this new law reshapes more than just tax forms. It reshapes America's economic priorities and could play a major role in the upcoming election. Trump's big, beautiful tax bill is back, and for better or worse, your money and your future may never look the same. Subscribe the channel and like video to get more informed.